In this video, we'll review the electrical elements built in the modules at Guerdon's factory and the scope of work contractors finish on site. Modules leave the factory with completed interior finishes. Electrical finishes include lighting, ceiling fans, smoke detectors, switches, outlets, and power for appliances like garbage disposals, microwaves, refrigerators, dishwashers, washers, and dryers. These are all connected to an electrical panel in the dwelling unit or a junction box in the corridor. Once the modules are stacked on site, electricians will focus most of their attention in the corridor where most of the on-site subtrade work is performed. On-site electricians will run main feeders through the corridor to bring power to each dwelling unit. For dwelling units that span multiple modules, on-site electricians will complete crossover connections, matching up provided labeled wires from one junction box to another. For low-voltage wiring such as TV cable, fire alarms, and data, conduits and pull strings are provided in the corridor, leading directly to the devices, outlets, or a media panel. In summary, almost everything within each living unit comes complete from the factory. The on-site electrician's main scope is centered on bringing power to the electrical panel and making crossover connections at the provided J-boxes in the corridor.